welcome to the Leaders of Tomorrow, the only show right now on Indian television where you, the MSME, get center stage to voice your opinions and thoughts. This is ETNA, special daily initiative to give MSMEs and entrepreneurs the opportunity to be front and center in every industry and area that matters to you. Today on Direct Connect, a panel of experts answering your questions. Our next query is coming to us from Satish Wagh, who's written into us on our Facebook page, and at the end of the show we'll tell you how you too can write into us on Facebook. He says the exporters, manufacturers and suppliers of, and I'm not even going to try and attempt to pronounce any of these chemicals names. He says due to the perception that the chemicals industry is a polluting industry, they faced a lot of harassment and had to eventually shut down their business. He says they're not getting any support from the government. How do they resolve this issue? How do they restart their business? That's very unfortunate.
Okay, see, there are, as we go forward in progress of our nation, our government is very, very responsible socially as well as from an environment perspective of not letting certain hazardous companies exist in India. So that is something which, and also the recent Paris Climate Agreement that government has signed, we are very, very committed not to pollute the environment. And having said that, the kind of chemicals that he has mentioned would definitely have no future in terms of manufacturing so far as within our country is concerned. So he may look at a different business model, wherein he can import all of this and can do the further process and sell it to the industries which require these as raw materials. So I think we need to respect the fact that we will have a sustainable and a more responsible progress. So I think he will have to alter his business model in these terms, because it's going to be difficult going forward to run these hazardous industries in India for sure.
His primary aim should be to meet what the guidelines are, given of course that things are changing globally as well. So Satish, it's very unfortunate the state of affairs at your business, but like our experts are suggesting, do spend some time understanding what the framework and the guidelines are for your industry and change your business model if need be.